Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to learn a lotus pattern and we are going to paint it on a canvas pouch. So material we need is a 000 brush, round brush. We need black paint, a ruler, pencil, eraser, pink color, white color. If we don't have pink color, we can use red color, green color and water. Also, we should keep a cloth to wipe the brushes. So, let's start. So, this is the pouch which we are going to learn. First step, we'll draw double line with the scale. Now, inside this, I draw a curve and in the curve, I'm going to draw the leaves. This is our basic design. Now we are going to draw a lotus here. So we'll just see approximately where is the midpoint, somewhere here, taking this as center. So our drawing is ready. Take very little paint in your brush. Only the tip of the brush should be properly immersed in the paint. Keep your brush vertical when you are drawing a line. So our pouch is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. Try to make it at home. You can try painting on pillow cover, cushion covers, runner, table mats, your top, bags, anything. Thank you for liking and sharing Vandana's art. Thanks a lot for sharing the information about my YouTube channel. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Namaste.